Every kitchen has the same story. Non-stick coatings that flake, releasing toxins. Cast iron that wears you out. Stainless steel that burns unevenly. So we set out to build a pan that ends all compromises. This is a Titanium 5-layer titanium frying pan, designed to be the last pan you ever need. It begins with pure titanium, clean, safe, and natural non-stick. Then we build around 5 layers working in harmony. A titanium shield tougher than steel. An aluminum heart for lightning fast, even heating. A pure titanium core for absolute food safety. A stainless base that works on every stove. And a ceramic finish. Brilliant in color, scratch-resistant, and effortless to clean. Every detail was crafted to make cooking easier, like the heat-sensing window that warns you when a handle is too hot. The custom-fit lid locks in heat and moisture for richer flavors. And with its drip-free rim, every pour stays clean and controlled. And when all the layers and details come together, you get more than just a pan. Even heat without hot spots. A seamless move from stovetop to oven table. And a balance that feels light in your hand, yet strong enough to last generations. With Titanium, searing, frying, simmering, or baking becomes effortless. And every ingredient tastes pure, exactly as it should. This isn't another disposable pan. It's a lifelong partner in your kitchen. Titanium 5-layer titanium frying pan. Healthy, effortless, built to last 100 years.